How to recover deleted Facebook messages on Android. This tutorial shows you how to retrieve them by exporting your message data through Account Center. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. From there, tap your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. After that, tap the three lines at the top left of your profile page to open the menu. At this point, scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Following this, scroll down and tap Account Center. From here, tap Your Information and Permissions. After that, tap Export Your Information. At this stage, an in-app browser will open. Tap Create Export. Following this, select Facebook from the list, then tap Export to Device. From here, tap Customize Information, then tap Clear All to deselect everything. After that, scroll through the list and select Messages Only. At this point, set your preferred date range to cover the period you want to recover messages from. Following this, tap Export and enter your password to confirm. Finally, once the export is ready, you'll receive a notification. Download the file and open it to find your deleted messages inside. Keep in mind that this method only works if the messages existed before they were deleted. If they were removed from both sides before the export, they may not appear in the file. That's how you recover deleted Facebook messages on Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you never miss one.